truth about bait and switch titles, why it happens, and how to spot it. All right, welcome back, my friends. If you hate bait and switch video titles as much as I do, you're in the right place, because this video is the real deal. No tricks, no gimmicks, just straight talk. You've seen it before, thumbnails that say, I quit forever, and then 5 minutes into it, it's somebody just changing their upload, or the title screams, I've lost everything, and they're just talking about losing Wi-Fi. And the dreaded one that I can't stand is, the view has been canceled, only to see it really hasn't been. And yeah, I'm with you. Not cool, but there's always hope. Here's the truth about bait and switch video titles. Okay, they're used because, well, they work, at least for clicks. Even some of the biggest, creators fall into the trap. Why? Because it's all about the algorithm. YouTube rewards watch time and click-through rate, and the fastest way to get you to click, you may have guessed it, drama. But let's be real, getting somebody to click is only half the battle. If the title doesn't match the content, people are going to bounce, and that hurts trust, reputation, and ironically, it even hurts the channel over time. So how do we fight the clickbait plague? Easy. Support creators who keep it real, and that's where you come in. If you appreciate videos with honest titles and actual value, show some love. Hit the like button, share this video, comment your thoughts, or type the words truth below, and of course subscribe if you haven't already done so. We don't do bait here, only brains, honesty, and sometimes a little banter, but that's just us. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't fall for the click unless it's this one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.